Hey loves, so today we're going to do a Try Beauty Box unboxing. This lovely thing just showed up at my house and I totally peeked, and honestly, this is one of the best beauty boxes I've probably ever gotten in my entire life. I'm very excited about the contents of this box, so I can't wait to share them with you. So Try Beauty Box comes out every other month for $34.99. The contents of this box have to be so much more than that. I'll definitely add it up for you at the end of this box. I don't have an affiliate link or anything, but they did send this to me, the option to share it with you. And because I'm so excited about this one, of course, I wanted to share it with you. So we're just gonna jump in, but before we do, please subscribe if you have not already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday here on my channel. Let's do this. All right, so as always, the box is super cute. I am a fan of the pink, obviously. As always, it comes with a little card. Theme of this month is Sugar, Spice, and Everything Tribe. So we're just gonna go through and I'm going to take the items out of the box in the order that they are on this card. The first thing, and probably the most exciting thing, honestly, for me in the whole box, is a beauty blender. They put a full-size red carpet beauty blender. This retails for 20 bucks. I love the original beauty blender. I've only ever purchased one in my entire life, and I only use it very sparingly because I don't want it to get worn out. I don't know, that's weird, but I've always wanted to buy another one, but instead I always buy a much more affordable sponge. So I am really excited to try this one out. It says you can use it for base, blush, concealing, and contouring products. It gives you a seamless, soft focus effect. I love the beauty blender. I love beauty sponges. I use beauty sponges every single day, whether it's the beauty blender, the Real Techniques one, the Makeup Revolution one, or what's the other one? The Shop Miss A one is really good as well. But I'm very excited. This is like the OG, the best one in my opinion. I love them all and they all work interchangeably, but I just feel like the finish on this one is it's just so soft. It's so perfect. So I'm very, very excited to have this guy. Let's see, we have another Wander Beauty product. Quite a few beauty boxes have been putting Wander Beauty products in there. So I'm very excited to try this guy. This is a liquid eyeshadow. This is Lilac Luster. I did swatch this already, but I'll swatch it for you now and show you. So this is one of their exquisite liquid eyeshadows. It retails for $26. A silky smooth and ultra blendable liquid eyeshadow that delivers high intensity color in just one swipe. It can be used as an eyeliner, eyeshadow, highlighter, or layered for a beautiful range of day to night looks. So let's pop this guy open. It's so, they sent me a perfect shade too, all about it. And it kind of matches what I've got, all the lilac on my eyes right now. I don't use liquid shadows that often. I will use liquid glitters and stuff, but I don't really use the liquid shadows that often. But this one is just kind of a sheen. You can see it there. That's really pretty. So I am definitely excited to try this guy. It's just a really light lilac. It's kind of pinky too though. Kind of nudie pinky lilac. Again, this is Lilac Luster from Wander Beauty. We got a blush from The Balm. This is not the first time we've gotten The Balm in Try Beauty Box, and I feel like that's such a great brand. It retails for $22. So again, these first three products right there is what? 20, 26, 22, almost every product in here, with the exception of just a couple. Almost all of these are more high-end products. So you do get a mix of high-end and drugstore type products, which we'll get to in a minute. So this is a stain blush. Stain, what does this say? I don't think I've tried one of these. I feel like I may have gotten one in the past, but I don't think I ever actually tried one of their blushes. Toile? T-O-I-L-E. Buildable strawberry pink with a satin sheen. She bright, but I'm excited to try it. I'll swatch it. Oh, she pigmented. So that scares me a little bit just because I'm so fair, but I'm sure I can use a light hand. I'll use my ColourPop Duo Fiber brush and just be very, very, very gentle. That's a really cute pink though. So full-size blush, especially because I've been wearing blush more. I'm excited about it. We got a Suva Beauty product. I'm excited that I've started seeing Suva Beauty in beauty boxes. We just had another palette in BoxyCharm, so it's exciting to get something new. What is this? A liquid lipstick. Moisture Matte Liquid Lipstick. This guy retails for 18 bucks. So it just talks about how it's supposed to be comfortable and flexible and all of those good things. Let me open it. Ooh, it's a red. Ooh, that's a good red, guys. That is a good red. That is my kind of red. 100%. It's kind of pinky, kind of cool tone, kind of blue based. That's a lot of things, but I feel like reds can be that way. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh, and it smells like frosting. Yes, please. I wish that I could put it on, but it definitely would not match my look right now. Oh, it's so pretty. I love when I get colors that I'll actually use, and I've been wearing red lips almost every other day. I've been loving just doing a wing, some lashes, a very neutral look, and a red lipstick. All about the classic glam right now, most days. Super excited about this guy. I'm gonna let it dry and then we'll revisit it in a minute and see how much it smudges or anything like that. Ooh, this thing is big. This next product, so this is the Bellapierre Glowing Palette. It retails for $50, you guys. $50. It has 6 illuminator options to suit a wide range of skin tones. It has natural ingredients. Illuminators melt seamlessly into the skin and can be layered. So the positive about palettes like this is that there is a shade in here for everyone. The negative is that you're not going to probably be able to use every shade. I already swatched the highlight a little bit because I can't help myself, but I do think that quite a few of these I will be able to use. This pinky one right here, I did not think it was going to be the shade that it was. Hopefully you can see all of those. They're not the most blinding highlights, but they're definitely really pretty. Sorry, I just took my hair tie off my wrist and clearly cutting off some circulation there. But they are really pretty. They are more like natural glow. I'll definitely try it on my face and see how I feel. That's awesome. It's a whole highlighting palette. $50 value. Crazy. You guys know I always love getting a highlight in anything. 2 more products. This I have never seen before. I did not know this was a thing. This is from Cokie Cosmetics. I haven't tried anything from Cokie yet, but I definitely have been interested. I believe they're now sold at Walmart. I don't know if they're at my Walmart though. I don't know. I gotta look into it. But this guy retails for only $7. This is a dewy skin foundation mixer. So you mix this with your foundation, it's going to make it look dewy. I'm wondering if it looks kind of like a liquid highlight or if it's just, no, it's not. It was just like, it looked like a clear primer or lotion and it just gives a glow. Ooh, see that down there? Look at that. That's pretty. So I'm definitely excited to try this. I love dewy skin. I love dewy foundations. I love either, it's got to be like a natural matte to dewy is how I roll. Or I would love to mix this with the Milk Blur Liquid Foundation because that one's a little bit too matte for me. Or maybe the Wet n Wild one. There's so many foundations that I really love but are too matte for me right now because in the winter, obviously, my skin gets a little bit drier. So, but this is really exciting. This is such a cool thing. We have one more item left. This guy is from Sistar, Sistar, like S-I star. This is just a contour bold liquid eyeliner. It's retails for $7.99, so it's not a super expensive liner, but it's a new felt tip liner. So let's pop it open. I feel like this is one of the things that I always love to try because I wear a wing almost every day of my life, whether I'm wearing lashes or not. Most of the time I wear a wing, and if I'm not wearing a wing, I always wish I would have put a wing on, if that makes any sense at all. Ooh. It looks about the same size as the Physicians Formula one, so that's good because that one is one that I'm definitely used to using. Ooh, it's got a really fine tip. Ooh, that's black. Ooh. Guys, I'm excited. Hopefully it dries down matte. I'm excited to try that. Okay, my phone is dying, but I'm going to attempt to add up the contents of this box. So the first thing is the Beauty Blender at $20, plus the Wander Beauty eyeshadow at $26, the Balm blush at $22, the Suva Beauty lipstick at $18, highlighting palette at $50. Then there is the Cokie foundation mixer at $7, and then the liquid pen liner at $7.99. $150.99, you guys. That is crazy. So then if you minus the $34.99, which is the cost of the box, it's $116. The cool thing about Try Beauty Box is that you can go on the site and choose to purchase this exact box. I just went on there to double check the cost of the box and it was on there. You can pick out the box if you get on there in time, so you don't have to kind of wait and see what you're going to get, because usually you just kind of have to sign up and then get the next month's box. But with them, they order a certain number of them, so if they're still available, you can purchase this exact box if you want to. I'll definitely try and leave it down below, but I think it's just trybeautybox.com. All right, love, so that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this beauty box unboxing. I feel like because this is my 3rd time unboxing Try Beauty Box, and I feel like each time it's just gotten better and better. This is so good, you guys. And when I first spoke to them, when they first started sending me the boxes, they were talking about how as time goes on, the boxes are going to get better and better, and that is 1000% true. This is insane. Like, I have liked every single one, but this is such a good box. Like, I can't get over that I got a beauty blender. Yes, so excited. All right, so please let me know down below what your favorite beauty box is. Please subscribe if you have not already. Let's be friends. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday here on my channel, and I think that is everything. I love you guys so much. I hope you're having a wonderful holiday, and I will talk to you soon. Bye. I love the original Beauty Blender. I always say Booty Bender. So, I love the Beauty Blender. Can I not say Booty Blender? I don't know why I smelled it. Breath of color to your cheeks for flawless and I don't know why I read these because I never can read. My phone's trying to play Post Malone. It's like you haven't listened to Post Malone all day. What's wrong with you? I will.